observe 5 precepts. Why we should observe 5 precepts? Again and again when we observe 5 precepts, we become pure and clean. Now just before our discussion, you observe the 5 precepts. Then you became clean. You became clean. And it is very simple kind of code of rules. Not to kill others, not to steal from others, not to enjoy sensual pleasure, not to tell lie, not to take alcohol. So these are meaningful. Today, so many problems because of such malpractices against 5 precepts. One by one if we take, we can see so many crimes because of all these things. First one, killing. So we have already discussed about that. Killing is all over the world. If you stop it by observing 5 precepts, if Bin Laden observe this one, abstain from killing, he will stop killing. All others, all political leaders like Bush, observe 5 precepts, they will not kill others. So this is very meaningful. And same way, stealing. So when we discuss about bank, insurance and all other commercial type of things, today there is no any business. When we discuss about the commercial world, there is no any reasonable business. What is there? Only stealing. They do cheating, they do corruption, briberies, everything in the commercial world. So it is under stealing. If we stop it, observing the second precept, I undertake to observe the precept to abstain from stealing. How nice this word. And then sensual pleasure. Now it is a very serious type. Because of our sensual pleasure, what is the very bad result of this world? Today we have a special day to commemorate AIDS. A special day. So it is because of what? Unlimited sensual pleasure. No limit. So because Buddha found out it. Kamesu miccācara. Sometimes we explain it. Not to have illegal sex. Buddha has seen it. This is the suitable day to discuss it. Today, it is all over the world. It's a very dangerous disease. And then telling lie. So many problems in the world because of that. So many people, political leaders, politicians, they promise the people telling lies is the normal way. And then taking alcohol. That's very simple for us. If somebody is having a heart trouble, what is the advice given by the doctor? Don't take alcohol. Don't take alcohol. Till then, we don't care. When the doctor advises, then only we try to stop. Then time has gone. So these are the 5 precepts. So we should practice them. So when the Buddha constructed such rules and regulations, mainly for the bhikkhu and bhikkhunis, they are called uposatha. Monks should gather every full moon day at least and sit, discuss about all the rules. Why? To renewal, for their renewal, to understand that I should not do this, I should not do that. So they should, here we don't have such places. In Thailand, in Sri Lanka, Cambodia, we have such a chapter house to meet, mainly for the higher ordered monks. So they sit and what they do? They read, it is called Patimokka, all the rules, 227 rules given by the Buddha to be practiced. So some of them are very simple, still we should practice. If we don't practice simple rules, we don't practice other things. Simple. Don't cut leaves. Don't pluck leaves. Don't cut branches of the tree. With the advice to the high ordained monk. Should not cut trees by ordained monks. Should not pluck leaves from a tree. What is the meaning behind it? Very simple. To respect the environment. To respect the environment. There are so many such simple rules. Up to the very highest level. In the highest level there are 4 defeats. That means those 4, if we practice as monks, no more suitable to be a monk. What are they? Should not kill somebody. Should not have family affair with the wife. And they should not steal something. These are common in the society. But Buddha mentioned that even a monk should not practice them, then he should go away from the society of monks. And again, he should not show to others that he has some kind of special powers. Special powers. That means some monks, there are some such characters, they want to show that I have cultivated meditation for a long time, now I have this kind of power, that kind of power. They are going to show. Why they are going to show? To take attraction of the subject. That is completely wrong. They should not do like that. So in that way, with the constructed rules and regulation to protect the society of monks. So all the way we discussed all these things, that to know about establishment of dispensation of the Buddha with proper rules and regulations. These are the very important facts when we discuss about crimes and punishments in the world. And to apply Buddhism and see the way how to be away from such situations. So dear friends in the Dhamma, so now I am going to conclude the discussion. So if you have any question, you can discuss, you can ask, and then we can discuss about the question. Yes.
All the monks, they are not supposed to pluck the tree and the
Higher ordained monks should not, but it is not.
novice monk.
No, it's okay. Only for the ordained monks. Sometimes you may see senior monks, they don't do any work in the field. Only young monks are doing. Then you may think that, oh, that is young. Senior monk is lazy. No, because of laziness. Because should not. It is a kind of advice given by the Buddha to respect the environment.
It's not because they are afraid to kill the insect or whatever.
No, it will kill the tree. Kill the tree. Actually, in Jainism, extremely non-violence, they don't allow to walk along the grass because some insects will die because of it. But Buddha didn't say like that. And even Jainism, again they say, don't drink any water without filtering. But Buddha didn't say like that. It is extremism. But here Buddha mentioned that you should not pluck leaves, you should cut trees, and then you should protect trees. They are for the benefit of the environment. There are so many such teachings. If you come across the Vinaya Pitaka, you can see so lot of things.
They mentioned in the
Vinaya Pitaka, yes, so many things.
What under the minors rule, right?
These are under minor rules.
Because the major rule will be Parajika
That is
and the Sangha.
and Sangha